Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Red Elevator. I'm Nina Takesh and today we are at Ikea Burbank. That's right, the biggest Ikea I've ever been to. This is a brand new store, and last week we did some of my favorite items that I wanted to share with you for spring 2022, but today I'm finally going to do, because we had extra time and I know that you guys were asking for this, so we're going to do a deep kitchen dive Ikea. Follow me. Typically, I don't really go for Ikea kitchens, but this one I really like. I love the fact that these doors open beautifully. It feels like a lacquer finish, which is very expensive to do. This quartz top is very nice. The stainless sink looks great. And quite honestly, I think the best way to approach this would be to do a very high-end backsplash so that you could really elevate it. And let's not forget these lights. These lights are great. They look very mid-century, very high-end. This is a definite must on my kitchen Ikea list. I like this kitchen. Love the butcher block on the top. It's actually not wood. It is a sort of resin plastic that mimics it, and I bet you it's very durable. And it looks quite nice, very sort of farmhouse chic. I like the fact that you can have white tiles here. All you have to do is put the black grout and you automatically have the farmhouse look. And I gotta say, I'm feeling the I-bar. I only love undermount sinks, and I only like it to be a single bowl. You don't need a divider. Dividers are lame. What are they for? I don't even know why you would want it. This one's a great one that we talked about. Undermount, clean, you put your marble over it. You've got this beautiful detail edge. This is how the big designers are doing it, and this is definitely how you guys need to do it. Then you can definitely stack your plates. These plates are great. They look like the stoneware items we're buying for clients that are literally 25 times this price. And these are only $14.99, looks like, for a pack of 4. Look at these mugs. This is a very great find at Ikea. If you guys need everyday stoneware, these are adorable. Okay, I am dying over this light. This light is absolutely fantastic. I absolutely think this is great. This looks great in this kitchen, and you could put it over an island, you could put it over an eating area. And the lights, by the way, recessed is out and these are in. I do like that they're flush mounts and easy to install. I love these so much. I don't know why I love them. I love everything about them. I love trash, apparently. I just love how cute they are, how you can organize all of your trash. Oh my God, I want them. What am I gonna do with them? A great way to organize your recyclables. You have to be good to the earth if you want the earth to be good to you. You wanna leave a nice place for your children. Look at the way that it's organized above. You can stack and do everything you need to do to be earth friendly, and Ikea definitely has the inexpensive solution for just that. I am now in a different kitchen. This one I like even more, I think, because there is no hardware. You guys know I hate hardware. I hate hardware on cabinets, and these are easy to open. So it's touch latch. I do a lot of touch latch kitchens right now. I'm doing it for extremely high-end homes, and if they're having it, you're having it, we're having it. So new technology, they work great. Things look clean, streamlined. I like the butcher block look here. It's in a chevron pattern, which is really fun and interesting. And again, this is not wood, so it's going to probably be extremely durable. And again, look at the backsplash. You can do this, you can do something else. You could do something like, this is where you can do your splurge, where your kitchen is going to look very customized. These cabinets, by the way, I don't know why, I'm just floored by their quality. You have to have handles on big drawers because the touch latch is just not strong enough to be able to open these. And I actually approve of these handles because you can barely see them. And let's not forget the fact that there are lights in these cabinets. We do homes where they spend hundreds of thousands of dollars and we don't even have lights in those cabinets. So why not? Live your best life. Get the lights. Again, another beautiful stainless steel sink. This is it's not an undermount. I would undermount this if there's a way. If not, overmount, I guess it's fine. This is a drop-in sink, stainless steel. The fixture's really nice. Again, everything's super affordable and beautiful details on this kitchen. Essentially, what you do is when you come to Ikea, you pick your cabinet doors, door fronts, and I'm going to show you the ones that I love. I definitely love the ASKERSUND. This looks great. I would definitely approve the BODARP. We talked about this emerald green, which is a must. Thing that has a flat front, like this is great. The VOXTORP is great. The SINARP is great. This we saw, the KUNGSBACKA is great. This looks very, very expensive. I do like it in the gray. And these are the ones that I love. So I am feeling the IKEA kitchens, people. Now we're doing black hardware, very on trend. You actually close everything up for display, so I can't pull it, but this, I'm sure, hose comes out so you can clean your sink. Black sink, that's definitely on trend. Countertop is nice. This wood veneer is great. I don't know if I love the handles, but you know what? You can put your own handles. Switch the handles up. But I do like the veneer. I do like the vibe. And I know that you guys were asking for a deep dive into kitchens. So I guess I kind of was able to do it. Look, you can even get panel ready covers for your dishwashers. Are we kidding? And great cabinets with nice pullouts. All of the IKEA drawers are made to accommodate their 365 products. So this is, for instance, an IKEA 365 product. And they're made to fit and to be very useful so that you can be extremely organized with all of your kitchen products and items that you buy and use on a daily basis. As you guys know, shelves in kitchens are now trending. And why shouldn't you put one of these in your kitchen? I think they're great. Your spices here, I particularly love these, and I have them in my house, and I organize them. I have labels on them. Okay, I'm having an aha moment here. So I was looking at these cabinets. I like the fact that you can mix these cabinets together to give it a little bit more of a custom look. But look what I found inside that I think we all need immediately for any of our cabinets are these liners. Oh my God, you can cut them and then you can place them in your beautiful cabinets, whether you buy these or cabinets you have at home. And let me show you what that does. As you can see in here, you can put your glasses. They're not gonna scratch your cabinets. They're gonna keep things soft, organized. It's a beautiful sort of felt. And this is something I will be certainly buying. Drawer organizers are my favorite, but I only like wood inserts. And this is great. It's 30 by 50 centimeters, which is basically 12 by 19 and a half. And you can use them in any direction as long as it makes sense for you and be able to just put all of your knickknacks, whether it's silverware or whether it's just plain old everyday pens and pencils. Okay, I'm gonna show you this last kitchen really quickly because I know where this kitchen comes from. This is a copy of Kendall Jenner's kitchen. She literally has this exact green color in her kitchen and it has now been duplicated and at IKEA. So if you wanna have Kendall Jenner's vibe, this would be your kitchen. A bit traditional, you've got your nice hardware, it's this beautiful emerald color. Again, your cabinets all are gonna be identical inside. You basically have just your white inserts, shelves, but it's the dark green that is really rich. And I do love emerald. This is one of my favorite colors. And if you wanted something traditional and you wanna be a movie star, this would be your kitchen. So who are we kidding? In this Kendall Jenner kitchen, we also have the bar cart. The bar cart has a foot stop as well, so you can prevent it from moving and you could lock it in place, as I'm doing here. And this cart looks very, very expensive and a must-have either for a kitchen, dining room, living room. Absolutely a great, great, great item. Let's not forget these adorable pendants. They look really great. They have that industrial look. Even the screws on the canopy of this pendant is really beautifully done. The details are great. It looks quite chic, great over this island, matches the hardware, and probably an incredible combination I did not imagine I would be seeing at Ikea. I approve. Thank you so much for joining me on this very special outside of the elevator and into the blue Ikea episode. I hope you guys found this information to be useful. Like I said, you gotta go high, you gotta go low, you gotta mix it up. Not everything has to be expensive for it to be good, and this is proof. I hope you guys liked this video, so if you did, please make sure and give it a thumbs up. It takes 2 seconds. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again on this channel, The Red Elevator, next week.